Hi, Russell Crumbley with the law firm of Crumbley-Blackwell-Wisda Associates. Today's question is about taking care of elderly parents. Sometimes as people get older, they lose the ability to make sound decisions regarding their financial affairs. They lose the ability to make decisions in terms of taking care of themselves, whether it's going to the doctor, whether it's taking medication, whether it's recognizing they have a serious illness and they need to go to the hospital. You can't sign for things in the medical field because your parents have the right to privacy. So you can't make decisions for them because they're adults and they're entitled to do that themselves. But at the point that they're no longer able to do these things, what do? Well, on the front end, if you've done a power of attorney while they are still able to make those decisions, then you can use your power of attorney to take care of those matters. If they own rental property, you can make or break rental agreements with tenants. You can go to the bank and have access to their bank accounts, write their bills, deposit their incomes, whatever. You can get information at the hospital or the doctor if you need to. If you have not done a power of attorney and they are no longer able to make the decisions that would include granting you a power of attorney, then you can hire a lawyer and file a petition with the probate court to grant you conservatorship and guardianship. These two are typically done together and they cover two different things. The conservatorship will give you the power over their money, their financial affairs, their home, if they own rental property, all the rental agreement information we discussed earlier, over their banks, get their bills paid, get their revenue if they have any put in the bank. The guardianship will give you a power over their person if they need to go to the doctor, if they need to be put in the hospital, if you need to get information from the doctor or the hospital relative to their welfare there. These two things, the conservator and guardianship, basically reverse the relationship between parent and child and gives you the power to take care of them as they took care of you when they were a child. But because they're an adult and they have rights, this has to be done through the court because they're entitled to due process. This process does necessarily take away their rights to make their own decisions over their person and over their property. It's a difficult situation, but it's one that can't be avoided. If your parents need your help, we can help. Somebody in the family needs to help. And if there's not family, then someone else can do it. But these are things we can help you with. Hope this gives you some valuable insight. And hopefully it will give you some things to think about as maybe your parents' age. If you have a question and don't find an answer, send us your question. We'll get you an answer.